Newest purchase is a Black & Decker 60 volt max cordless lawnmower. I had a old traditional style gas lawnmower, and after having to deal with the carburetor a couple times, I just got sick of it. And we have a 7,500 square foot lot with for the lot size, a big front yard. And I figured I've had such good success with the other Black & Decker cordless products, which I never thought I'd have complete lawn care going electric, ever, but had such good success with I have pretty much most of the 20 volt system, including the weed trimmer, blower, and other products that you can see reviews of those on the YouTube channel, that I would give the lawnmower a shot. Did a little bit of research. They sell a lawn trimmer attachment for the 20 volt system, but that's kind of, it just puts the trimmer or weed eater, whatever you want to call it, in like a thing, and you push it along, and then that's just going to leave clippings everywhere, and that's not up to the level I want. Plus the 20 volt system dies pretty quick, so it was between the 40 volt Black & Decker lawnmower and the 60 volt. Looked into a couple other brands, but for the money, I think I got this on Amazon on sale for, I think it was $335-ish shipped. There'll be a link in the description if you look below in the description for this video to buy it, and I appreciate if you do, because we get a little kickback through our Amazon affiliate program. A couple reasons why I went with the 60 over the 40 is with the 20 volt system, I always felt like I needed a little bit more power, and I didn't want to make the same mistake. But one of the main reasons is that the 60 volt it comes with a fast charger, which charges the battery packs up quicker, and it's compatible with the 20 volt batteries. And since I have 5 or 6 of those batteries for all the tools I bought, having one fast charger, which charges them way quicker, it made the difference. It was worth the price, because I think a fast charger a fast charger by itself is around $40 or $50 on Amazon for the 20 volt system. And I pretty much got one. The charger that's included with this is a fast charger, and it cut the battery time from 4 to 5 hours down to, I think, around 2, which is very handy when using everything else I have, from my drills to Sawzall, etc. And then the 40 volt is not compatible with the 20 volt battery. It uses a different setup. So after this introduction, I'm going to just show a little bit of using the lawnmower. To quick recap, I was out of town, and with the lawnmower breaking down, I try to mow my lawn once a week or every 2 weeks. We have newer grass in the backyard, which cuts very easily because it's not as thick as the grass in the front yard. It bogged down a couple times in the front yard, but also I'm getting used to the right heights to put this mower at, compared to the old one. So it took a little bit longer to do that, and the lawn was a lot longer than it generally is. So doing it every week or two, done one since then, and just doing maintenance, it just charges through. And I don't even get I didn't even use a full battery doing both when it was overgrown, a couple weeks past when I normally would, and having to make multiple passes a couple times just to do it right, and learning this particular mower. Super easy to adjust. It comes with a mulch. It goes in the bag. The one thing, the bag's a little small, so I had to empty that. It's a little smaller than an old gas one, so I had to empty it one time, but it's super easy to empty. It also comes with a mulching attachment. You basically just take the bag off and put that in the side, and it comes, if you're doing like large spaces, which they say it can do up to a quarter, has a side discharge, which you just throw in right there as well. The batteries comes with 2 60 volt batteries, and they're housed under here. It doesn't use both at the same time, What's cool about that is there's actually a switch on the back, so you don't even have to take it on or off. You just push one or two, so if one dies, it goes. And you can also see right here, it shows your indicator how close you are to dying. So maybe you have 2 batteries in there, you're on one, but you realize that the second one you forgot to charge. You can just, well, you know, when you start, it's going to show with these 3 little dots. I'll start up in a second to kind of display that. It's going to show what the battery level is on each one. Didn't notice, it still had 1 full light on it by the time I was done with everything in the yard, and I didn't notice any loss in power with the battery draining for my uses. I probably could have got away with the 40, but for, like I said, $50, $50 difference, and it being compatible with the current tools I had, it was definitely the way to go for me. You just adjust it up and down here. You can pretty much do it with one hand. Super easy to adjust. Couple other things. It's easy to assemble. Just had to attach the arms right here. There's a couple different height adjustments, so you basically pull this out on both sides, and there's a little arrow, and you can put it to where this is at a different, you know, the arms at a different angle or not. I like it in the one position as it is. Just a little further back gives a little bit of push. It's super light. It's all plastic body, but pretty thick. Of course, a metal blade. Wheels are plastic, but they seem pretty sturdy, and it'll hold up well. I'd say if you have a similar yard, this will be more than enough. So pretty much, if you have a yard twice as big as mine, and I'm going to include some pictures of before and after so you get an idea of what that's like and how it went through some, you know, a little bit overgrown yard, you know, that needed a little bit more. You can get an idea. So I was able to mow the whole thing on not even a whole battery, so it should be able to be good on 2 whole batteries with a yard twice as big as mine, which works out just about right for, so that'd be about a 15,000 square foot lot, and I think that's close to a 1/4 acre, so just about as advertised, which is rare. So hope you enjoy this. Again, you can get it on Amazon through our affiliate link. Links in the description. Any questions, hit us up in the comments. Hit me up in the comments about it. And it works with the 20-volt system, comes with a fast charger, which you'll appreciate. And here's a little bit of video and pictures showing the lawnmower in action and how it worked. All right, to start it, you insert the key here, and you'll see the battery indicators light up, showing you how much battery each one has. You can switch in between, go from one straight to the other. Then you press the button, then pull the lever down. It's pretty tall grass right here. Goes right through it. You can see right here how tall the grass got while I was waiting for it, and it just mows it no problem.